Question number 6. From the following particular, calculate the earnings of A and B on the straight piece rate base and Taylor differential piece rate system. Standard production is 8 unit per hour and normal rate 40 paisa per hour. Differentials to be applied: 80% piece rate below standard and 120% of piece rate at or above standard in a 9-hour a day. A produce 54 units, B produce 75 units. So what we have to do, we have to calculate by Taylor's differential method. Okay, so first actually 120% if the 100% more than 100% over produce standard. If below is produced, 80% will only he get.
This video we are going to see question number 6. From the following particular, calculate the earnings of A and B on the straight piece rate basis and Taylor differential piece rate system. Okay, you have to calculate the earnings of AB according to straight piece rate basis and Taylor differential piece rate system. Standard production is 8 units per hour and normal time rate is 40 paisa per hour. Differential to be applied: 80% piece rate below standard, 120% of piece rate at or above standard. In a 9 hours a day, A produced 54 units and B produced 75 units. Here piece rate system, what we have to do is, first we have to see how much piece rate if it is occurred. So what we have to take the rates. Okay, here is different for Merrick differential system and Taylor differential system. Okay, so we have to take what we have to do. If it is Merrick means output percentage standard up to 83% ordinary piece rate should be take. According to 83 to 100% means 110% of piece rate. Over 100% means 120 according to Merrick differential. But it is given in Taylor differential. In a Taylor differential, it is something different. Okay, I'll show you. First, what we have to do is, okay, first highlight the point unit rate. First calculate the unit rate. Unit rate is equal to 0.40 divided by 8 is equal to 0.05. We have got. What is 0.40? And divided by 8 we are doing this. Because in a question 40 paisa is given. For how much? 8 units per hour. So we are only getting 40 paisa per hour. Rate is a 40 paisa and per hour we are getting 88 units. So per unit is 5 paisa is the cost. It's the rate of the piece. Okay, now it's a unit rate. Then product is 9 hours into 8 units. Per unit we are getting 8, and daily is a 9 hours work. So how much? 72 units per day. We are getting 72 units per day. Now let's calculate first straight piece rate. straight piece basis. Okay, for A, 54 unit he is producing into how much piece rate is 0.05. Overall how much? 2.70. For 54 units he is getting 2.70. B is producing how much? 75 units. Overall 72 units should be there, but B is producing extra units. Okay, 75 into 0.05, calculate it's 3.75. This is the B's rate according to state piece rate. Now with a differential, Taylor differential. Taylor's piece rate basis. Okay, how much first? A, 54 into 0.05 into 80%, because he's under 72. Overall is 72, 9 hours into 8 units means 72. Is under 72 means 80%, so he will get 2.16 only. And B is producing much more, 75 into 0.05 into 120% means 4.50. He is producing more, that's why 4.50. he is getting extra 120 units extra bonus. Okay, this is the question number 6. Now let's go for question number 7 next.